Welcome to Squirrel Cottage. Well, we say cottage, but cottage for me conjures up somewhere sort of small and a little bit snug. This is anything but. This beautiful property situated in the village of Holcombe Rogus. It's a fantastic place to live. Our clients have improved and updated the property, and it's just awesome. Right throughout, it's a beautiful place to live, but best thing to do, come inside and let's have a look around. We look for homes that have a wow factor, but Squirrel Cottage has more than one wow factor. This stunning family living dining space is then supported by 4 double bedrooms, 4 bathrooms to match it, study, a loft room. It's just got everything, but it's got this beautiful combination of character, style, practicality, underfloor heating in this area with double glazed, best of both worlds. You won't be disappointed with the outdoor space either. We've got plenty of parking, we've got gardens, an orchard area, wildflowers. We've also got substantial outbuilding just tucked away in the corner, which really could be used for a variety of uses. So if you're a bit of a hobbyist, you like your cars, workshop space, it's definitely got it. This is one you don't want to miss. Give us a call and we'll be delighted to show you around.